quick video showing how to create an action, a macro that will allow you to make a border on your picture super quick and super easy with just 2 keystrokes. So first we're going to go up to Window and Actions, and then we're going to create a new action by clicking on this, and we'll give it a title, in this case white border. Default action set, we'll assign a key here, choose one you want. I've chose F10, and to hit Shift F10 to make it work. Now the little red record button is on, so we're going to go to the new fill layer, solid color, and we're going to change the name if you want, but I'm going to leave it as it is, and click OK, and then we're going to change it to white, and click OK again. Then we're going to right click on our background and create layer from background, and then we're going to drag it above our first one. Then we're going to hold Alt with the transform key and make sure that linked is selected, and we're going to drag in till you get a border size you wish and click the tick. Then we're going to go to image and edit, stroke, and we're going to make our stroke 5 pixels in black and click OK. And then if you right click over there and flatten image, we'll get a single JPEG, and then we can stop the macro. So it keeps all the tasks that we've done. And if we scroll down and look for the one that was stroke, and we'll click the little box, which will, when we run this macro, will bring up the box to check to select our stroke size. So if we go back to the history and go back to our actions, you can see here that we've got our action set for Shift and F10, and if we click those on the keyboard, then it brings up the box for our stroke and flattens it back down. So we have our image with the border all applied. So we'll open another image just to run through this again, show it from scratch. So we'll open this one and we'll go Shift F10, shoot our strokes with the size we want, hit OK, and there we go, all done.